So guys, I'll show you guys how to do to upload proof of payment. So I've done a payment of 3,000. Obviously this is the date, the 11th, and that's the reference number over there, which is 497521. So what you do, guys, I'm only going to show you guys for this payment down here. You click on POP. So I've already taken a picture of my proof of payment, right? So get proof of payment. You click on get proof of payment. It's going to open your folder, and then I'm going to select that screenshot over there, and then I'll say upload. So you can see document has been attached. You can go back and review it. Okay, so if I click up here, go to auction menu and click on pay bids. Okay, then I click on the payment of 3,000. If I click on POP, you can see there's already one document uploaded. And then I'll go to chat. Then I'm going to just ask approval. Are you sure you have paid this bid? Okay. Your request has been sent to the seller via SMS to approve the payment. And that's it, guys. So after a while, when I come back to my auction, to my dashboard, right? If I scroll down here, you will see it will change from pay to sale. It will also recalculate my earnings over here from 4,000. It will go up. Alright guys, that's it. Very straightforward.